Hello and welcome back to our Advanced SQL and Data Engineering channel. Today we are continuing our mission to master the powerful features within the Databricks platform. Our focus today is on materialized views. What is a materialized view? Unlike a regular view, a materialized view is a view whose query results are pre-computed and physically stored as a managed delta table. Think of it as a view with a built-in cache. This means that instead of rerunning a complex, slow query, you can instantly query the stored results. It then refreshes them, either on demand or on a specified schedule, ensuring your data stays current. Key characteristics. When we look under the hood in Databricks, materialized views have some powerful characteristics. First, the results are stored as a managed delta table in Unity Catalog, giving you full governability and performance benefits. Crucially, they support incremental refresh. Databricks automatically detects changes in upstream data and applies only the necessary updates, making the process highly efficient. They are backed by a serverless Lakeflow Spark declarative pipeline, which is created for you automatically behind the scenes. You can easily create them via Databricks SQL or within that same Lakeflow Spark declarative pipeline. And finally, this capability requires a pro or serverless SQL warehouse. When to use materialized views? So when should you leverage this optimization? It's perfect for scenarios where you need high performance and want to reduce redundant computations. BI dashboards are a prime use case, allowing you to keep dashboard queries fast by using pre-computed results. They excel in ETL processing, specifically for declarative transformations for compliance, CDC, change data capture, or aggregations. For expensive queries, they can cache the results of complex joins, aggregations, or heavy window functions, sparing you from running them repeatedly. And they are ideal for layered transformations, helping you build and maintain multi-layer data models, from your bronze to silver and gold layers. In summary, remember this key takeaway. A materialized view is a physical optimization that pre-computes results into a managed delta table. This provides dramatic speed gains while automating your incremental updates. Within Databricks, it's a key part of our powerful Lakeflow capability. Leverage materialized views today to make your data work smarter and faster. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a materialized view step by step. Let's start with step 1, creating a basic materialized view. The create or replace materialized view statement is used to define the view, and it immediately triggers the initial data load. Here's an example of a basic materialized view with aggregation. We use create or replace materialized view catalog.schema.dailysalesmv as select date, region, sum of sales as total sales, and count of all records as order count from catalog.schema.orders. Then we group the data by date and region. So what this does is it aggregates your raw order data into a summarized format, making queries much faster. Now, here's an important keynote. The create statement is synchronous, meaning it blocks execution until the initial data load is fully completed. Also, a serverless pipeline is automatically created behind the scenes to handle this process efficiently. And that's how you create a basic materialized view with aggregation. Now, let's move to step 2, scheduling and refreshing your materialized views. You can configure automatic refreshes using 2 different syntaxes. Option A, simple interval, using schedule every. For example, if you want your data to refresh every hour, create or replace materialized view catalog.schema.hourlymetrics schedule every 1 hour as select date trunk by hour event time as hour and count star as events from catalog.schema.raw events group by 1. This setup refreshes your materialized view every single hour, keeping your data up to date with minimal effort. Now, let's look at the second approach, Option B, cron expression, using schedule cron. This gives you more control over timing. For example, to refresh at 8 a.m. UTC every day, create or replace Materialized View catalog.schema.dailymetrics schedule cron 0008 at time zone UTC as select date trunk by day, event time as day, and count from catalog.schema.raw events group by 1. This method is perfect when you need precise scheduling based on time and time zone. Finally, you also have the option for a manual refresh. You can trigger a refresh at any time using refresh Materialized View catalog.schema.dailysalesmv. And that's how you manage scheduling and refreshing for Materialized Views, whether it's automatic or manual. Now let's move to step 3, managing access control and permissions for Materialized Views. Materialized Views support fine-grained access control. This means users with select permission on the Materialized View do not need access to the underlying source tables, enabling secure data sharing. Let's look at how access is granted for different roles. For data analysts, we typically provide read-only access. Grant select on catalog.schema.dailysalesmv to data analysts. This allows analysts to query the data without modifying or refreshing it. Now, for data engineers, they usually need more control, including refresh access. Grant select on catalog.schema.dailysalesmv to data engineers. Grant refresh on catalog.schema.dailysalesmv to data engineers. This enables engineers to both read and refresh the Materialized View. Now let's understand ownership rules. The creator of the Materialized View is the owner. If the owner loses select access on the source tables, existing data can still be queried, but future refreshes will fail. And if needed, ownership can be transferred using alter Materialized View catalog.schema.dailysalesmv set owner to new owner. So with proper access control and ownership management, you can ensure both security and smooth operation of your Materialized Views. Now let's move to step 4, inspecting and monitoring your Materialized Views. First, to view Materialized View details, you can use describe extended catalog.schema.dailysalesmv. This command gives you detailed metadata and helps you understand how your Materialized View is structured and maintained. Next, if you ever need to remove a Materialized View, you can simply drop it using drop Materialized View if exists catalog.schema.dailysalesmv. This safely deletes the Materialized View only if it exists, preventing errors. Now let's go over some best practices for working with Materialized Views. Use Materialized Views for expensive and frequently read queries. This gives you maximum return on investment through pre-computation. Always add a refresh schedule aligned with your source data update cadence. This keeps your data fresh without manual effort. Grant select access without giving access to source tables. This ensures secure data sharing. Use incrementally friendly queries like aggregations and filters. This enables efficient incremental refresh. Monitor refresh status in Catalog Explorer so you can catch failures early. And finally, avoid materializing rapidly changing, low-read data because in those cases, storage cost can outweigh the benefits. By following these practices, you can make your Materialized Views efficient, secure, and cost-effective. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more such content.